Welcome to Xometry, where our AI-powered manufacturing platform makes it incredibly easy to source parts. Whether you're working on prototypes or ordering complex, high-volume manufacturing projects. From your dashboard, you have access to 3 distinct quoting options, each tailored for different project needs. Instant Quoting Engine, ideal for prototypes and small to mid-sized batches. This tool provides instant quotes for CNC machining, sheet metal fabrication, 3D printing, and vacuum casting. Start by uploading one or multiple CAD files. Our advanced algorithms will analyze each model's geometry, delivering instant price estimates and available lead times. To refine your quote, click Edit Specifications. Here, you can adjust the process, material, quantity, finishing, and other parameters, with the price updating automatically based on your changes. Additionally, you can select the required tolerances and, if necessary, specify the number of threads and tapped holes. In this case, you'll need to upload an additional drawing. You can also enter any additional project requirements for the engineers and manufacturers in the provided text field. Once you've finished editing the part specifications, return to the quote page to add more parts if needed. Here, you can also specify the required certifications. When your quote is finalized, proceed to checkout. If you haven't already added your shipping address, you can do so to calculate the shipping costs. Proceed to payment using a variety of methods, including PayPal, bank card, pro forma invoice, or other country-specific options. Your order is now being processed, and production will begin shortly. Mid and high volume manufacturing quotes. Perfect for managing complex projects, including assembly, welding, and framework production with scheduled batch shipments. This option is available to our corporate customers. Start by uploading your project files, CAD designs, technical drawings, or even Excel files. If your files contain all the necessary production details, simply activate the relevant toggle and click Review and Confirm to request the quote, allowing our team to immediately begin processing your project specifications. Otherwise, enter your project requirements in the provided text field. You can use our template or type your specifications from scratch. For scheduled shipments, specify your desired schedule. When you're ready, click Review and Confirm to double-check your files and entered information. Proceed by clicking the Request Quote button. Within 24 to 48 hours, our pricing engineers will prepare a comprehensive quote tailored to your project specifications. The quote will be organized into a clear part-by-part interface. You can then place your order as easily as with an instant AI-generated quote. Target price orders, designed for our corporate customers. This option allows you to source parts at your own price, a perfect solution for mid- and high-volume projects where budget control is crucial. Start by creating a new target price order. Upload your designs, set all parameters, including materials, quantities, and advanced features. Then, set your desired price per unit. This is what sets target price orders apart from other quoting options, giving you direct control over your costs. The order process is similar to other quoting options. If you choose to pay with a credit card, the target amount will be pre-authorized, meaning it will be held on your card temporarily. Once your order is placed, our auditing team will review it and confirm within 72 hours. If the order is confirmed, the pre-authorized amount will be charged to your card. If your target price doesn't align with current market conditions, we'll provide the best possible counter-offer. Should you decide not to accept the counter-offer and cancel the order, the pre-authorized amount will be promptly returned to your account. Xometry is the perfect solution for everyone, from engineers and designers to purchasers and project managers. No matter your role, our platform offers the flexibility and efficiency you need to bring your ideas to life. Source your parts efficiently with Xometry.